Anyway, lahat naman kayo. Huwag kayong mag-ano. If there's a problem, huwag mag-init ng ulo. Just tell your commander or you get in touch with Bong and you tell him the problem and I will solve the problem for you. Wala man tayong problema dito. Kung pera-pera lang, maghanap tayo. Kadali mag-hold up dyan. But during my time, I will take care of you. At ang sinabi ko, do not be afraid to implement the laws of the land. You have been there for PNP for years, PMayor, for yung iba basic 2 years. You were lectured on when to arrest, when to shoot, when not to shoot. Huwag kayong mag-ano, if you think that you are in danger or your life is in jeopardy, you're losing about to yung preservation instinct. Dalawa yan, performance of duty and self-preservation. Defense, self-defense. Sabi ng mga hindi man maniwala ito sila na wala man tayong pinatay na nakataas yung kamay na nakatali yung hindi man natin trabaho yan. What for? Mas gusto ko nga makulong para magsakripisyo. But your primary concern is really the neighborhood and the city. But do not be afraid. Mas may training tayo sa kanila at mas mautak kayo. Hindi tayo manalo tayo niyan. A few more days and we will prevail in Marawi. Do not worry. But I give you the assurance that you will be protected and I will be there to help you. At least during my time, wala kayong masabi sa akin. Maraming salamat po.